Yo, this is Simon Says. Here with Moonsplash, Black McCloud, Slang, Adlib, Elder Sensei, Venomous 2000, Signature, Nervous Wreck, Sergeant G, DNA, Sean Strange.
Jetzt spürt sich mal komplett wieder nicht hier.
Adrenaline pure on the adrenaline tour, head for the door, ready for war, ready to settle the score. Use all hope, cause through my scope your head look enormous. Set for talking dead man, walking like federal informed. You're like Lance, you need drugs to enhance your performance. All I need is a chance at the mic, I'll answer the call. Then I'm storming the walls of your mind till I'm breaching your fortress, leaving your thoughts dripping like releasing endorphins.
Devils in us got me craving adrenaline rush. My cerebellum bust flows, leave your skeleton crushed. Crazy nigga that'll stab you with an elephant tusk. In defeat, I'll never see it like a celibate slut. There's just something about blood rushing and blood pumping. I'm speeding by the police, see I'm a blood puffing. Heat stashed, and you know I got the truck stuffed with product that make your head rush and keep the bucks coming.
Overdose on adrenaline, Logan skeleton, oversized folder, odor of a hashtag. Smash man, great kick, snap your captain. Try to capture the action on your cannon. Cannonball off the canyon, land hand standing, clapping the cannon. I'm a madman, stay on overdrive. I'm on that red eye, cold hard, fuck who's cool. I never tried.
I've been built running from the bum police. Then you know about the feeling that it's all over the streets. When the money, we the power, hit your hunter like a beast. Blood rushing to the last heartbeat. You gotta say, that's adrenaline, that's that adrenaline. That's adrenaline, that's that adrenaline. That's adrenaline, that's that adrenaline. That's adrenaline, that's that
I don't give a
adrenaline.
fuck if you an icon, veteran, a living legend. You think you doper than me, man, you need an intervention. And if I didn't mention, I'll let you know now. Your whole style watered down, fuck your profile. I ain't the golden child, bitch, I came from nothing. And every rhyme I drop sharp like a razor cutting. You fucking faking, frontin', don't try to doubt the truth. Show 'em Michael, I'm a psycho in and out the booth. Go run your mouth to who will even pay attention. I'm deadly like a tumor in your brain, the game infected. Kid, every day I'm reppin', detonate the bomb. I'm eating medication, calm until the day I'm dead and gone.
Sick of abominations, I'm building violations. Built for smiley faces, numb the brains. Cause new paper clips are in operations. This is zombie planet, man, it's programmed to consume with this passion and plume. I'm out of this world, splash at the moon. Fuck MTV, mainstream airplays for douches. Snakes get fucked like a bad hair day from Medusa. While the doom is booming, clever dudes tune into the new movement. Sick nature, reppin' goon music.
If you the live it, somebody done tampered all in your iris. Your body's been infected like a dead virus. Dependent to the violence, feed my fingers adrenaline. You stuck in your own self-island like Gilligan. Plans come together like it's Voltron assembling. Mistaking me for your best MC up as Finnegan. Remembering what you forgot.